This is Fajr time, and my regular prayer to Allah is to give me good in this world. This is my home. Alhamdulillah, my family, my children, we have food to eat. MashaAllah, I love them all. My prayer to Allah to give me Jannah in the hereafter. O Allah, protect me from the hellfire. I should do good deeds to be protected from the hellfire.
ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار.